Hi there, students. A crone. A crone. A crone is an ugly old woman. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a sexist one again. An unpleasant, ugly old woman. In fairy stories, a crone is normally an old woman with magic powers. So I don't know. In Macbeth, the three witches, they're three crones, they're three hags. A hag is a good synonym for this. So a crone, an ugly old woman. This is offensive. It's disapproving. It's derogatory as well. I think maybe this word's also a little bit literary as well. Don't confuse this word with crony. A crony is a trusted friend. Yeah, very often a trusted friend or a partner in a criminal organization, the gangster and his cronies. Well, she could be the gangster, and she could have her cronies who are crones as well. Friends, trusted friends. But no, a crone, an old woman, a frightening old woman, a hag, ugly, evil looking. Yeah. Um, so yeah, she's just such an old crone. What's the old crone complaining about this time? But this is rude, it's pejorative, it's quite strong as well. As to formality, I think I'd probably give it a 6.5. Sounds rather literary. I think informally I'd say an old bag, yeah, or an old cow. But more a more literary word, a crone. As to origin, it comes from French, charogne, meaning carrion. Okay, carrion is dead flesh, dead carcasses. So vultures eat carrion, yeah, dead animals. So a crone, that's where it comes from, and you can understand how the origin comes there. That itself, yeah, comes from Latin, caro, meaning flesh. So a crone, an ugly, old, unpleasant woman. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crone.